Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss about chapter number 9, Introduction to Trigonometry of PTB FSC Part 1, Exercise 9.2. Students, in this exercise 9.2, the first two questions is objective type, the very simple question, trigonometric ratios, how many types and how in which quadrant angle lie. So I am starting here from question number 3. Question number 3 is, in which quadrant are the terminal arm of angle lies when the first part is the sine of angle sine theta less than 0 and cos theta greater than 0. Students, in previous lecture we discussed about all quadrants and trigonometric relation. So the first condition, sine theta less than 0, sine theta less than 0 means negative, and sine theta is negative, so angle lie in third and fourth quadrant, because in first and second quadrant sine theta is positive. And the second condition is cos theta greater than 0 means positive, so cos theta is positive in quadrant first and fourth quadrant. So it means according to both two conditions, the quadrant 4 is a common quadrant, so angle theta lie in fourth quadrant. Similarly, the next question, cot theta greater than 0 and cosecant theta greater than 0 means both are positive. Since cot theta is greater than 0 means positive, so angle theta lies in first and third quadrant, because the cot is a reciprocal of tangent theta and tan is also first and third, it's positive. Similarly, cosecant is a reciprocal of a sine theta positive in first and second quadrant. It means according to both conditions, the first quadrant is a common, hence the theta angle lie in first quadrant. So this is very simple MCQs type question, but the concept of is very important, because in long question this is very helpful, angle lie in which quadrant. So, and the remaining part do yourself. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comment. And next is the question number 4 is, find the values of remaining trigonometric function. All of you know that there are the 6 trigonometric ratios, and in this question only one trigonometric relation is given and all others are found. So sine theta is 12 over 13. Firstly, I know the sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is the first trigonometric identity. According to this identity, the cos theta is equal to sine plus move from left to right, it becomes a negative. So 1 minus sine square, and cos square, remove the square, taking the square root on both sides. So cos theta is plus minus square root 1 minus sine square. Put the value of a sine, 12 over 13, 1 minus 12 over 13 square. Square of 12 is 144 and 13 169. Take the LCM, and after calculation the result is plus minus 5 over 13. Since the theta lie in the first quadrant, which is given in a question, theta lie in a first quadrant. So student, in first quadrant cos theta is a positive, so cos theta is equal to 5 over 13 plus 5 over 13. Ignore the negative sign. Now the second one is, now after finding the sine and cos theta, the formula of tangent is sine theta over cos theta. Put the values, sine theta is 12 over 13 and cos is 12 over 13, 5 over 13. So 13 cancel with each other because both are denominator, and 12 divided by 5 is the answer of tan theta. Okay student, it means all main 3 trigonometric ratios are fine. So cosecant cosecant is the reciprocal of a sine and the value of a sine is 12 over 13. The 1 over 12 over 13 is equal to 13 over 12. It means the cosecant theta 12 over 13 over 12. Similarly, secant is the reciprocal of a cos. Put the value of a cos 5 over 13 and the reciprocal is 13 over 5. So secant is 13 over 5. And cotangent is the reciprocal of 10, 1 over 12 over 5, and the reciprocal it becomes a 5 over 12. So these are remaining reciprocals of main trigonometric ratios. I hope you understand the all values. And the next is, and then the other fourth part. So the remaining parts all of same are, so you can easily handle it. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. In this part, the tangent theta is minus 1 over 3 and angle theta lie in a quadrant 2. So student, tangent theta is given. So firstly, by using the identity 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. So taking square root, it becomes secant theta is equal to plus minus square root 1 plus tan square. The value of a tan is minus 1 by 3. So square minus becomes a plus and 1 square 1, 3 square 9 and take the LCM and after calculation it becomes a 10 over 9 square root plus minus and 9 is the square root of 3. So secant is plus minus square root 10 over 3. So in this question theta lie in a second quadrant and second quadrant means cos theta and secant theta is negative, is a minus in a second quadrant. So theta secant is negative and ignore the positive. So secant theta is a negative square root 10 over 3. Now after secant, cos theta is equal to the reciprocal of secant. So secant minus square root 10 by 3, take the reciprocal and cos is minus 3 over square root 10. So this one, tangent theta is equal to the sine over cos and cos it becomes a multiple when moved from right to left. So the relation becomes sine theta is equal to tangent theta multiply with cos theta. So tangent theta, the value of a tangent theta given in question minus 1 over 3 and cos theta, the value of a cos theta is given minus 3 over square root 10. So minus 3 cancel, minus minus plus and result sine is 1 over square root 10. And after calculating the sine theta, find easily cosecant. Cosecant is the 1 over sine. Put the values and cosecant becomes a square root 10 because this is a reciprocal. And see student, the value of a sine theta and cosecant is a positive because theta angle lie in a second quadrant. And the last value is a cotangent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of a tan and the value of a tan is minus 1 by 3. Take the reciprocal, it becomes a minus 3. So cot is a minus 3. Same the all remaining two parts of a question number 4. Do yourself and again if you have any problem then you can mention in comment. Okay. So student, this is the question number 5 of exercise 9.2. If cot theta is 15 over 8 and the terminal arm of angle is not in quadrant first, find the value of a cos and cosecant. So cos and cosecant, only two ratios are required and cotangent theta is given. And the important thing is the terminal arm of angle is not in quadrant 1. So student, as given, cotangent theta, the value of 15 over 8 positive is a positive. So it means it is not in quadrant 1. So angle lie in a third quadrant because the tangent and cotangent is positive in quadrant first or third. And according to question 1, question statement, angle not in 1. So simply it means that angle lie in third quadrant. Okay. So remember theta lie in third quadrant. So cosecant square is equal to 1 plus cot square. So taking the cos square root plus minus 1 plus cot square and theta lie in a third quadrant, it means cosecant is negative because the sign is a negative. in third quadrant. Okay, and cosecant is the reciprocal of a cosine. It means it is also a negative. So cosecant is negative. Ignore the positive sign. And 1 plus cot square, put the values of cot 15 over 8, square 15,225 and square of 8 is 64. Take the LCM and after calculation the result of a cosecant is minus 17 over 8. And cosecant is a reciprocal of a sine. Take the reciprocal 1 over minus 17 over 8 and it becomes sine theta is equal to minus 8 over 17. This is a reciprocal. Okay. So, and same previous question number 4, cot theta is cos over sine. So sine is divide, so it becomes a multiple. So the formula of a cos is equal to cot theta multiply with sine theta. And put the values. Cot, the value of a cot is 15 over 8 which is given in question, and sine minus 8 over 17. This is the result. So after calculation 8 cancel and cos the value is minus 15 over 17. So we are required cos theta and cosecant and both our results are given. Cos theta is minus 15 over 17 and cosecant is equal to minus 17 over 8. I hope this question, all of you are understanding this question. The next question, question number 6. This is the most important and critical question, student. Because in this question, this is a variable, not a value. So, if the cosecant theta is square root m square plus 1 divided by 2m and theta greater than 0 but less than pi by 2. Student, according to this statement, 0 and pi by 2 means 90 degree. It means the angle theta in first quadrant. Okay. Remember, angle theta lie in a first quadrant. First quadrant means the all values are positive. Find the values of a remaining trigonometric function. See, theta lies in a first quadrant. Cosecant is given. So first, according to the relation, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square. By using this identity, cot is equal to square root plus minus square root cosecant square minus 1. And theta is in first quadrant, so ignore the negative sign. So cot theta is equal to square root cosecant square minus 1. Put the values. Cosecant square value is m square plus 1 divided by 2m. So take the square, apply the formula in numerator a square plus b square plus 2ab. So m4 plus 2m square plus 1. Divided by 2m square is 4m square minus 1. So take the LCM and after calculation it becomes m4. 2m square minus 4m square becomes the minus 2m square plus 1 divided by 4m square. And in numerator m4 minus 2m square plus 1 becomes a whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square, which is equal to m square minus 1 whole square and divided by 4m square becomes a 2m whole square. So student, in numerator and denominator both is a whole square. So square root cancel with each other and the value of cot theta is m square minus 1 divided by 2m. Student, if the cot theta is this, so the tangent is the reciprocal of cot. So tan theta is equal to 2m divided by m square minus 1. Okay. So these are two values, cot and tan. So next is, in question, the cosecant theta is given m square plus 1 over 2m and sine is a reciprocal. So take the reciprocal, m square plus 1 over 2m, it becomes a 2m divided by m square plus 1. Okay. And now again, cos theta is equal to cot plus sine. Yes, in previous question, this formula is used. So cos theta is cot theta into sin theta. Put the values cot theta m square minus 1 over 2m and sin theta 2m over m square plus 1. 2m cancel with each other and the value of a cos theta is equal to m square minus 1 divided by m square plus 1. Okay? Cos theta is equal to this. So the secant is the reciprocal. So secant theta is equal to m square plus 1 divided by m square minus 1. Secant is a reciprocal, it means the 1 over cos. So I hope you understand this question. Student, the question number 7 is, if tangent theta is 1 over square root 7 and theta is not in third quadrant, find the value of cosecant square minus secant square and divided by cosecant square plus secant square. So student, solution is, student, tan theta is a positive and theta is not in third quadrant. So it means the theta lie in the first quadrant automatically, because tangent theta is positive in first quadrant or third quadrant. But in question statement, theta not lies in third. It means theta lie in a first quadrant, and in first quadrant all values are positive. So student, the first is secant theta. According to this identity, 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. Apply this identity, secant is equal to 1 plus tan square and square root. Put the values of tangent theta 1 over 7 square root. Take the square. 1 plus 1 over 7. Take the LCM, and after calculation the result is square root 8 over 7. So 8 over 7, square root of 8 is 2 plus minus 2 square root 2 divided by 7, square root 7. So secant is this. Secant is a reciprocal of a cos. So the cos theta is square root 7 divided by 2 square root 2. And tangent is given. So according to this formula, this ratio tangent is equal to the sine over cos. So the sine theta becomes tangent into cos. The value of a tan and cos, put square root 7 cancel, and the value of a sine is equal to 1 over 2 square root 2. And sine is the reciprocal of a cosecant, so cosecant is simply becomes 2 square root 2. Okay. Now student, cosecant square is find and secant is also calculated. So put the values in our required formula. This one. Now put cosecant square, secant square, cosecant square, secant square. Put the values. The value of a cosecant is 2 square root 2. Take the square, and secant is square root 8 over 7. So let's put this value. Due to square root cancel, and 2 into 4 2s are 8, and in this one 8 over 7. So take the LCM in numerator and take the LCM of denominator also. 7 is LCM. 7 8s are 56 minus 8, and in denominator 7 LCM. 7 8s are 56 plus 8. So 7 cancel with each other, and in numerator 56 minus 8 becomes a 48, and 56 plus 8 becomes a 64. And cancellation after cancellation, the result is 3 over 4. So this is our final result. And similarly, the next question of this exercise, if cot theta is given 5 by 2 and theta lies in a first quadrant. According to this statement, again all values are positive, and find the value of a 3 sine plus 4 cos and cos minus sine. It means we need sine theta and cos theta. So according to the given relation cot theta, by using the identity 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square, so cosecant is equal to square root 1 plus cot square. Put the value of 5 by 2 and take the square plus 1. 25 over 4, take the LCM. After calculation, 4 plus 29, 4 plus 25 becomes a 29 over 4, and square root is square root 29 divided by 2. This is the value of a cosecant square. So student, the cosecant is the reciprocal of sine theta. So student, the sine theta is 1 over cos. Put the value of square root 2 divided by 2 and take the reciprocal. 2 divided by square root 29. And by using the formula of cot is cos over sine, from this formula cos theta is equal to cot theta into sine theta. Put the value cotangent and sine theta. 5 by 2 and 2 by square root 29. 2 cancel with each other and cos theta is equal to 5 by 29 square root 29. So student, sine and cos both values are given. So put our requirement 4 sine theta plus 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta and divided by cos theta minus sine theta. This one, see, 3 and this is the value sine 2 divided by square root 29 plus 4, 5 over square root 29. 5 over square root 29 minus 2 over square root 29. Firstly, multiply 3 2s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. So 6 over square root 29 plus 20 over square root 29. And in denominator 5 over square root 29 minus 2 over square root 29. Take the LCM in numerator and denominator. It becomes 29 square root 29 is the LCM. So 6 plus 20 and in denominator 5 minus 2. Square root 29 square root 29 both are cancelled with each other and the final result 26 divided by 3. And there is no cancellation further. So the result is this requirement 26 divided by 3. So I hope students this lecture is very fruitful for all of you. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.